Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to calculate the square of a 3-digit number in a shortcut way. I will discuss the method in detail, so I divide the video into 3 parts. In the first part, I am going to show you how to calculate square of a 3-digit number that has a 0 in its units place, like 150, 450, etc. In the second part, I am going to show you how to calculate square of a 3-digit number that has a 0 in the tens place, such as 105, 405, etc. And finally, in the third part, I am going to show you how to calculate square of a 3-digit number that has no 0 in it. That is for the numbers like 521, 765, etc. So let's start the video with our first example. Let's consider the number 450. This 3-digit number has a 0 in the units place. It is easy to calculate squares of such numbers because we can write this number as 10 times 45. And taking square of 450 means calculating square of the 2-digit numbers 45 and 10. Now in the previous video, I already showed you how to calculate squares of a 2-digit number. And I also showed you that calculations is more easy if the numbers contains a 5. I will give the video link in the description. So you can apply that method to calculate squares of this type of numbers. So the final answer is 202500. Now let's come to second part of the video. Let's consider the number 406. Now you have to draw an imaginary line to divide the numbers as shown in the screen into 2 parts. Now imagine 3 sections in mind, and you have to remember that each section can at most contain a 2-digit number, and if there is any extra digit, then you have to carry forward the digit to the next one. Now square the hundreds place number, that is, take the square of 4 and put it in the leftmost section. Now square the number 06 and put it in the rightmost section. That is, in this case, take the square of the number 6 and put it in the right section. Now in the middle part, multiply two divided parts of the 3-digit number, that is multiply 4 and 06, and you also have to multiply 2 with it and put it in the middle section. You may think that we are multiplying 2 here because we are calculating square of the number. Now put all the numbers together and it will be your final answer, that is square of the 3-digit number. Let's see another example. Consider the number 109. Now divide the number into 2 parts. Take the square of 1 and put it in the leftmost section. Take the square of 09, which is 81, and put it in the rightmost section. Now multiply both the divided parts and multiply 2 with it and put it in the middle section. So the combined number will be the final answer. So this is how you can calculate square of any 3-digit number. Now let's see how to square a 3-digit number that has no zeros in it, or let me show you how to carry forward the extra digit. Let's consider the number 521. So like the previous one, you have to divide the digits into 2 parts. Now imagine 3 sections, and in the leftmost section, put the square of the hundreds place number. In this case, it is 25. Now in the rightmost section, put the square of the remaining numbers. That is, in this case, it is 21. And the square is 441. Now multiply 5 with 21 and also multiply 2 with it and put it in the middle section, and it is 210. Now I previously told you that each section can at most contain 2 digits, so you have to carry forward the extra digit and you have to add it with the remaining number. So in case of 441, you have to carry forward the digit 4, and in case of 210, you have to carry forward 2. and you have to add it with the corresponding numbers. So the final answer will be 271441. That is, it is the square of 521. At first look, it may seem a lengthy process, but after practicing it 2 to 3 times, you will be able to do it in 2 or 1 steps. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more tricks like this.